Alright guys, so today's video is we're gonna start a little bit different. We're gonna do a little video about a friend of mine that just passed away. He helped me wire up the VTEC on my CRV. Very good guy, always happy, always messing around. He passed away in a hit and run. Truck hit him and fled the scene. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do a little intro saying about him, and yeah, I know a lot of us here in the car community are hurt because he was all over the place and stuff like that, and he was a really good friend, especially AJ that's in this video. Sorry for your loss, bro, but this is for him.
Feeling strong in the small, turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood comes first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride. Let the light guide your way, yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Whose man's is this? Trusting me with the excavator. Well, alright. Yep. Dusty as fuck in this place. Hey guys, so we're working throughout the night. It's a nice little sunset coming down. SRT4 is ready. So we're here. Gonna move the cam caps and then the timing belt too. So we're gonna remove that part real quick and move it over to the other block, and then I'm just gonna put a thing over it temporarily. But yeah, excited. Finish this bad boy out, hopefully here soon. But let's get to it. Alright, so we're back with it, guys. Nice beautiful day out so far. Right now early in the morning before it gets hot, over 100 out here. So we got the turbo out, we got the radiator out, kind of mocked up the new setup. So today we're going to be removing, since we already got the cams off, we're going to be removing the engine, but one of them keys fell on the side in there, so I'm going to remove these, remove the belts, the mount, and I'll put this up in jack stand so we can remove the axles and everything too. So yeah, we got a busy day ahead of us, but we should be able to get a lot of it done. Here's the other puppy. We'll finish it up here soon. Man, that looked good. Both of them right next to each other. Crazy is that this one is gonna be running way before that one, so that's still good. But yeah, guys, let's get to it. So we are here. We got the whole side off. Got the harmonic balancer. We're gonna go ahead and remove the intake manifold. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the fuel connection, which is down there for the connection. And then we're gonna take the feed line right there, and we're gonna take off that boost pipe, and like right here too. Overall, we're gonna change it up anyway, so we're gonna clean that up a little bit. We're gonna remove that hose right there, this right here, and then all the bolts for the intake manifold should pop off. But yeah, we're gonna remove the fuel rail first, and then we're gonna remove the intake manifold. It's gonna make it so much easier for this to go through with it. One more now, I gotta put it on the other one, so might as well do it now. But yep. Hey, yo, AJ, say what's up, bro, to the channel, bro. All right, so we out here pulling out the motor, almost there. AJ's working on the axles. Go check out his channel. What's it called, AJ?
5280 Racing.
All right, I'm gonna post the link below for all those Gapplebees out there. So yeah, we just gotta do the rear mount, the side one left, and that bottom one down there. And other than that, I think pretty much we're almost there. We're gonna just pull off the axles now and go from there. So yeah, you guys ever wonder about the dog always barking in the back? There she is. Who knows what she's doing, but she back there. You ready to pull it out, bro, or what? Don't be mad, bro, because it's gonna gap you, bro. Take you to that Gapplebee's. Stuck right there, right? Yep. That's literally where it's stuck at. Here, let's pull it. It's almost out. Well, it's out. Big old freaking mess, bro. Yeah. Motherfucker leaked a lot. Let's get it fucking back. As you can see, no more engines. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this bad boy over here, the tranny. I'm gonna wash because I had a spill right there. And then I spilled some oil on this tranny too, so we're gonna go ahead and clean all these three out. Get them all looking all spiffy. I'm gonna end up painting that one, that tranny. And just clean up that one, put it back, and even those floor mats got full of oil. So let's go ahead and clean all those out. Here's this. Yeah, so we got that ready to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the cams on here. Got it all lubed up. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. But yeah, I cleaned it off as much as I could. Gonna put the intake side, and we're gonna put the exhaust side. What you could tell from these bad boys is the exhaust side has the little the little lines for the dizzy. So this one's the intake one. This one's ready to rock. Same with this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the cam caps, torque them out to about 20. Start with the middle ones and go outside with the other ones. So these go to 20. And then the other ones go to like 7.5 pounds since it's a 10mm bolt. So yeah, work all those around. Alright guys, so we're working throughout the night. You got the motor pulled, which is over here. It's right there chilling. We got the tranny pulled, which is right there. Giving everything a little touch of a paint. Get it ready for tomorrow. It's been pouring. So now what we got left to do is we're gonna go ahead and time this puppy. We got all the stuff over here. Here's the keys the bolts and then the cam gears. So we're just gonna keep the stock ones. Shouldn't be a problem. I don't know. Those AEM ones do look good though, but now we're gonna keep it basic on this one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'm gonna put the keys first, and then we're gonna put the cams, and then the bolts, torque them down, go from there. Well, so we're timing this, so it's always good to buy one of these little tools. It's like 10 bucks. You don't really need it, but it helps. So right now what we're gonna do is torque these bad boys down to calls for 41. So this tool keeps it in place, allows us to time them. So after this, we're just gonna go ahead and put the belt on and put the covers back on. That thing will be done for tonight, and then we'll go ahead and continue tomorrow morning. But yeah, pretty excited. Got most of it done. It's gonna be a good night. How to time this B series. So since it's a GSR, we got this belt. We're gonna do the Gates blue timing belt. Since we're gonna send it a little bit harder than normal. It's pretty easy. I used to struggle a lot with this, being honest. I used to have a lot of people come over and help me, and just doing several times, I got a little bit better at it. One thing that does help is a little tool. You buy it online, 10 bucks. But yeah, it allows you to hold the cam gears in place. Everything else is where it should be. Make sure you got the right water pump for the setup you're using. So this one's a GSR, so we definitely got the 22 teeth water pump there. So just gonna go ahead and wrap it around real quick, and let me see if I can get it on and show you guys pretty much how I do it. The trick I always use to line up the bottom is simply use your harmonic balancer, use your cover, put it where it should go, and the one mark that's by itself, that should line up the bottom, top dead center. So then the top is that's on, all done, ready to go right there. This is all done, ready to go. And I just wrap around that belt. Start at the bottom, and then try to keep this as tight as you can right there too. And then have all your slack on this side. So you'll go like that. That way when we put the tensioner, this will tighten up. And see, this is just right where you need it to be. And then let me go ahead and put that this guy right here, little spring by an OEM one, brand new. Since they do get old, 5 bucks, definitely worth it. All right, so we got it done. That's the line right there. It's a line down here. Go ahead and spin it, get them all through it again. You can hear that compression make. Here they come lining up again. Close enough. See? Bing. It's hard to tell, but there's the line right there. And there's those bad boys up there too. Then maybe later on I'm gonna get that that little tensioner. Keeps this one a little bit more tension. Now it's all tight all around. Yeah, there they are. There they are, kissing right there. And the bottom one's solid too. All right, we're good enough to put this cover on it and finish off the rest. All right. Alrighty guys, so we got the covers on it. I'm not gonna put the harmonic balancer until we throw it inside the car, or the valve cover, because I'm gonna use my original one. But I'm just gonna cover up for now. Thing left for it, it's gonna be, we gotta do the rear main seal. We're gonna do that once we pull it off. And then we gotta do the clutch, which that bad boy's on its way. But for today, this is it. It's pretty much almost ready to go. Post all that stuff up tomorrow and get it all ready. Excited, super excited. All right, guys, thanks for watching for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.